I hope that you are doing well. Now we are coming to the 17th problem. If a plus b is equal to 2 and a minus b is equal to 10, find the values of, first bit they told to find a square plus b square, second bit the value of ab. Solution given. What is given? A plus b is equal to 2 and a minus b is equal to 10. So here we are using the formula a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. We know the answer, that is equal to 2 into a square plus b square. This is formula very important. So learn these formulas very nicely. So in the place of a plus b you are writing 2. So 2 square plus, in the place of a minus b you are writing 10. So 10 square. 10 whole square is equal to 2 into a square plus b square. 2 2s are 4 plus 10 10s are 100. That is equal to 2 into a square plus b square. 2 into comes this side, multiplication comes to division, a denominator. So 2 came in the denominator, 2 goes in 104, 52 times. Therefore the value of a square plus b square is equal to 52. The same problem, second bit, they told to find the value of ab. Now the formula changes. Here we use plus, here comes minus. A plus b whole square minus of a minus b whole square. The answer changes. Here when plus 2 into a square plus b square, when we are subtracting, is equal to 4ab. Formula, very important formula. Keep in mind. For plus one answer, for minus answer. So 2 square minus 10 whole square is equal to 4ab. 2 2s are 4 minus 10 10s are 100 is equal to 4ab. What is the meaning of 4ab? 4 into ab. 4 into a into b. We want to find the value of ab. So bring 4 from right side to left side. Multiplication becomes division. So 4 minus 100 is minus 96. Here the bigger number is negative is more. So minus 96 comes. Opposite signs we have to do subtraction. And the big number sign comes. Be careful while simplifying integers. Very, very careful. So 4 goes in 96, 24. Already here minus is there. So therefore the value of AB is equal to minus 24. If A minus B is equal to 0.9 and AB is equal to 0.36, find the values of first one A plus B and second one A square minus B square. Solution given. A minus B they have given 0.9 and AB they have given 0.36. In this problem they gave decimal. Don't fear, my dear, please hear. To find the value of A plus B, now we are using the formula A plus B whole square minus of A minus B whole square is equal to 4AB formula. Now A plus B value is not given, so we are not writing anything in A plus B whole square. Minus A minus B they have given 0.9, so 0.9 whole square is equal to 4. If you want to keep into, you can keep into, or you can use bracket. Bracket also multiplication, or into also, no problem. So 4 into 0.36, the value of AB is given. Now A plus B whole square minus 9 9s are 81, but this is not 9, 0.9. So after 2 digits you have to put decimal. 0.9 into 0.9. So after 2 digits, so 0.81 is equal to, you are multiplying 4 into 0.36. Multiply here itself. That is part and parcel of the problem. When you multiply you get 1.44. Now A plus B whole square minus 0.81 from left side you are taking to right side. Minus becomes plus. So 1.44 plus 0.81. Now A plus B whole square is equal to, add these two. That also you have to do here itself. 2.22. Now square goes that side, square root. From left side to right side it goes, square becomes square root. Cube becomes cube root. Likewise, so A plus B is equal to square root of 2.25. We know 225. 15s are 225. So when it comes from square root, either plus or minus 1.5. Now coming to the second bit. To find same problem, second bit. To find the value of a square minus b square. We know the formula a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square formula. So in the just now we got the formula a plus b. So we are taking 1.5 into 0.9 is equal to a square minus b square. Sir, why you took plus, why you did not take minus? You can take no problem. Now here you multiply 1.5 into 0.9, 1.35, multiply 15 9s are 135. Here one decimal is there, here one. After two decimals you have to put, after two digits you have to put decimal. So 1.35 is equal to a square minus b square. Therefore the value of a square minus b square is equal to 1.3. 19th problem. If x plus 1 by x is equal to 5, find the value of first bit x square plus 1 by x square. Second bit x to the power of 4 plus 1 by x to the power of 4. Solution given. X plus 1 by x is equal to 5. Squaring on both sides. So x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to 5 square. It is in the form of a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. You have to write the formula, you have to mention compulsory. Now x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to 5 by 25. Numerator x and denominator x cancels one time. So x square plus 2 1s are 2 plus 1 square means 1, x square is equal to 25. Now plus 2 from left side take to right side. Numerical one side, variables one side, numericals other side. So x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 25 minus 2. Therefore x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 23. Coming to the second bit. To find the value of x to the power of 4 plus 1 by x to the power of 4. Just now we got the value of x square plus 1 by x square as 23. Squaring on both sides. Again squaring on both sides. Again you have to write the formula. A plus b whole square formula. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Compulsory you have to mention the formula. What formula you are using here? X square whole square plus 2 into x square into 1 by x square plus 1 by x square whole square. And 23 is 529. Do side of the problem 23 into 23. Otherwise by heart all the squares of 1 to the squares of 1 to 50. Now x square whole square means x to the power of 4. X square get cancelled and 2 1s are 2 plus 2. 1 square means 1. X square whole square means x to the power of 4. 529 is equal to 529. Now x to plus 2 from left side goes right side minus 2. So x to the power of 4 plus 1 by x to the power of 4 is equal to 529 minus 2. Therefore x to the power of 4 plus 1 by x to the power of 4 is equal to 527. 21st problem. If x minus 2 is equal to 1 by 3x, find the values of first bit x square plus 1 by 9x square, and second one x to the power of 4 plus 1 by 81 x to the power of 4. Solution given. X minus 2 is equal to 1 by 3x. Variables one side, numerical values another side. So plus 1 by 3x comes to left side, minus 1 by 3x. Minus 2 goes that side, plus 2. Now squaring on both sides. X minus 1 by 3x whole square is equal to 2 square. X square minus 2 into x into 1 by 3x plus 1 by 3x whole square is equal to 2 2s are 4. Which formula I have to mention here? A minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. You have to write the formula compulsory. Now here x and x get cancelled because numerator and denominator. X square minus 2 by 3 is left. 2 1s are 2 and denominator 3 is there. Plus 1 by 3 3s are 9 x square, because 1 square means 1, 3x whole square means 9x square is equal to 4. Now variables one side, take minus 2 by 3 from left side to right side. X square plus 1 by 9x square is equal to 4 plus minus comes that plus 2 by 3. Now 3 is the LCM. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 2. Therefore the value of x square plus 1 by 9x square is equal to 14 by 3. Coming to the second bit. To find the value of x to the power of 4 plus 1 by 81 x to the power of 4. Already just now we got the value of x square plus 1 by 9x square as 14 by 3. Again squaring on both sides. It is in the formula of a plus b whole square formula. Which formula? Squaring on both sides. Both sides we have to square. So when we are squaring on both sides, keep here square for in the next step. Square and again square. It is in the form of a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square and that side square. So x square whole square plus 2 into x square into 1 by 9x square plus 1 by 9x square whole square is equal to 14. 14s are 196 by 9. Now x to the power of 4. 4 have you got? 2 2s are 4. X square get cancelled. 2 1s are 2. 2 by 9 plus 1 square means 1. 9 9s are 81. X square whole square means x to the power of 4 is equal to 196 by 9. Now take this plus 2 by 9 from left side to right side. Plus becomes minus. X to the power of 4 plus 1 by 81 x to the power of 4 is equal to 196 by 9 minus 2 by 9. Here LCM is 9. Like fractions. Denominators are same. When denominators are same, we call as like fractions. Same LCM you find also 9 only will come. So 196 minus 2. How much? 194 by 9. Therefore the value of x to the power of 4 plus 1 by 81 x to the power of 4 is equal to 194 by 9.